Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add your birthday to your Telegram profile using the latest update. This feature helps personalize your profile and can make it easier for your contacts to recognize important dates. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This will open the main navigation panel, where you can access different sections of Telegram. Next, tap on My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where your name, number, and other details are displayed. Now, at the top of your profile screen, you'll see an edit icon. Tap on that icon to open the editing section where you can update your profile information. Scroll through the available options until you find the birthday section. Right next to it, you'll see an option that says Add. Tap on that. After that, simply enter your date of birth. Make sure you select the correct day, month, and year according to your preference. Once you've entered your birthday, don't forget to save the changes. Look for the Save option, usually located at the top right of your screen, and tap on it to confirm. That's it. Your birthday is now added to your Telegram profile, and your information is updated successfully. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Telegram features.